Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my GK class. Today we are going to do Unit 2 of the book New Fact Finder. This unit is on birds. We are going to have a look at different birds. So children, look at the picture and repeat their names after me. This is the most common bird you will ever find, that is sparrow. Cock, peacock, that is also a national bird. Nightingale, robin, hummingbird. I repeat, sparrow, cock, peacock, which is also a national bird. Nightingale, robin, hummingbird, dove, cuckoo, manna, kingfisher, quail, penguin. Once again, dove, cuckoo, manna, kingfisher, quail, penguin. Come to the next page. Repeat after me, children. Swan, goose, crane, heron, ostrich, flamingo, pelican, macaw, owl, eagle, kite, vulture. Once again, swan, goose, crane, heron, ostrich, that is the biggest bird which cannot fly, flamingo, pelican, macaw, owl, eagle, kite, and vulture. Those who love birds, they must have enjoyed the class today. Thank you.